with a regularly scheduled class. And let's start with pretty straightforward, a class where the class scheduler has entered the instructor and there's really no changes that I need to make.
Okay.
Let's say for the History 103 class.
Okay, we'll just take this first one and see what we have.
Oh, there's like blue lines that separate things. Is that meaningful?
That sure is. Everything above the blue line is the information from the schedule of classes that is fed in with the nightly process, and this is not updatable by the user. The two exceptions are these checkboxes that the user will use to identify individualized instruction and then to lock the records when they're finished. The information between the first and second blue lines also comes from the schedule of classes, but this is updatable by the user. They can change the instructor on the class, the percentage of their effort, and the department.
Okay, so I see that the instructor is there, and that could be changed in the schedule of classes, but there's a department funding organization here that I assume funds the instructor to teach that class.
That's correct.
That can't be updated on the schedule of classes, can it?
That's right. It's not updatable there, and that's the whole purpose of the Instructor Class Funding module.
Very good. I see. So this is the place where you really can say who is supporting the instructor, either paying them or other type of support to teach that class.
That's true.
Very good.
And this does not change with the nightly process. This comes directly from the schedule of classes, and each night it's updated with the information on the class.
Okay.
So if this is not the correct department that is funding Jennifer, then that's where you'll want to change it.
Okay, well in this class I happen to know that that is Jennifer's department.
Okay.
And she is being supported by that department, so I wouldn't really need to make any changes. So what should I do?
Okay, if the data looks accurate to you and you believe that the instructor isn't going to change, then you click on the Lock Instructor and Funding Changes.
Am I done now?
Nope. That just means that you approve this data that's down here as being accurate and what you want, but then you must save the record, or the data will just re-update it again that night with the current class data.
Okay, now if we return to search, does it show that I've updated that record?
Actually, it shows that you've updated it once you've saved it. It shows it right up here.
Very good.
And then when you return to search, it will show it down here when you refresh the screen.
Okay.
So it shows that you have, this class is locked for further changes, from further changes, who updated the record, and the date and time that they updated.